Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to today's Vechain video update. Now, first of all, Vechain is doing a very crazy job right now of continuing to move to the downside. So all I'm going to say today is the following, right? So here we are, and let's talk about the evening star, which I actually talked about before. And here into the images, you do have that green candle and the doji in the middle, and then you have the red candle as well. So all of this one printed out is going to pretty much make that evening star at the moment. So from that evening star, we're looking for the market to basically continue in the downward direction. So what's the next technical target that we can look for reaching? I didn't actually observe the monthly time frame, but this is what I have in mind right now. Okay, so V chain will be printing in a bear flag on a monthly time frame. So let me tell you the next technical target out of that pole here that we have and the flag that we have. So we're looking for basically a technical target to go from there to there, and we're actually looking to come down near 0.00613, and that's going to be pretty much the technical target I look out of a monthly bear flag at the moment. So that's going to be a 74% drop, and this one is on Solana as well. I do see a lot of coins coming down. Even SLP is looking for that 70% drop. And in my opinion, this could be the final drop to the downside and then go up, because keep in mind, you do have a very big support level here. So that's the biggest support that you're looking for with Vechain, because right now you do have that previous touch on the monthly, this touch here on the monthly as well. You pull that in a little bit of capitulation to come back up very quickly and then move up. So that's pretty much it for this Vechain update. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.